Farnam presents Ultimate Horse Care. Today's topic is daily deworming. Dr. Kennedy, how does that work?
Well, we use daily dewormers to create a barrier between the horse and the worms that are entering it daily as they feed on the pastures or in their stalls. These drugs work by being mixed into the contents of the gut. Anytime a parasite is picked up by the horse, it's contacted by this chemical and killed. And so we've got no parasites that enter the tissues of the horse at any one time.
So this is deadly for the parasite. What does it do to the horse?
Interestingly, these drugs are not absorbed by the horse. They just pass through. So once we've mixed them carefully in the horse and killed the parasites, they pass into the environment without any issues. In fact, the products that we use for daily dewormers are actually safe in the manure for beneficial insects like dung beetles.
Is this something that you would feed all year long?
Absolutely. Anytime there's exposure to parasites, and that we kind of can run on the calendar for exposure. If the ground's frozen, it's difficult for parasites, but if your stable is warm and moist, you've got parasite transmissions. In a lot of cases, it's very important to have control 365 days a year.
Is there any downside to using a daily dewormer for a long period of time?
These products have been used since the middle 80s, so far so good. As always, we want to be careful about the chemicals that we use in animals and make sure that they're used correctly. Use the label directions. We do need to recognize that other parasites come onto the horse that are not touched by the feed-through dewormers. Botflies, for instance, we want to use a macrocyclic lactone at least in the fall and perhaps even in the spring to make sure the horses don't have botflies resident in their stomachs.
To learn more, visit farnamhorse.com. Farnam, your partner in horse care.